think we might have a problem. You look right through. Oh, look, I see Jewel to the hole.
Move around.
Stick your head through the hole, hand through the hole over there, Jewel.
What hole?
On the side.
I can't. I don't know where the hole is.
It's right here. Right there, yep.
I can't find the hole.
There you go.
I see you.
I see your fingers.
That's my engine, huh? That's it.
That's what's left of it. Look, there's still a little bit of cylinder in there.
Is it? Can we fix it?
Look what's left of the piston. Holy shit, it's just a mangled piece of fucking aluminum. And then the rod went through there. Look, there's the hole for the rod. The rod went through the intake. Rod's in here somewhere.
Oh, that's fine.
See the hole? That's crazy. There's a spark. There's the fucking. And you come around to this side.
It's not supposed to be open on that side either?
No.
Oh, fuck.
Man, that's crazy. Broke the starter off.